welcome today. And could you tell me what brings you in? What problems do you have?
I have a pain on my right shoulder and some pain with my lower back.
Okay. And how long have you had that?
For my right shoulder, it's been for several years. It's on and off.
Okay.
For my lower back, it's been around a month.
Okay.
For my right arm,
Yeah. Stop when it starts.
right here.
Right there. Okay.
Perfect. There we go. There we go. There it is. For my back pain, I think there's a significant relief. The pain really significantly decreases. It's much less.
All right, sir. Welcome today. And could you tell me what brings you in? What problems do you have?
I have a pain on my right shoulder and some pain with my lower back.
Okay. And how long have you had that?
For my right shoulder, it's been for several years. It's on and off.
Okay.
For my lower back, it's been around a month.
Okay. Was there any injuries to your shoulder?
None that I remember.
Okay. Okay. But you play sports?
Yeah, I play sports. I'm a military officer, so
Good.
we usually do regular PTs.
Right.
And then I play sports, basketball, triathlon, biking, etc.
Push-ups?
Push-ups,
Yeah.
road runs.
Right. Okay, so next we're going to ask you to do some range of motion.
Okay.
Pretty simple.
Yes.
Just move your arm and stop when the pain starts.
Okay.
Yeah.
For my right arm,
Yeah. Stop when the pain starts. Right.
here.
Right there. Okay. How about the other arm?
This one, there's
A
no
little
pain.
easier. Okay. Now turn your head left and right. Stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Just turn. Yeah.
Left
Easier.
finger.
Yeah.
Right.
Little less movement there.
Yeah, that's movement.
Now look up. Okay, there now.
Down. I think there's no pain at all.
Okay,
And I
good,
look
good.
up and look now.
Take a deep breath in for me. Blow it all the way out. Perfect. How'd that feel?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. All right. Now this goes to your shoulder too. There we go. Nice. Go relax. There it is. Perfect. Yeah, face up on your back.
Face up.
There we go. A little bit lower. There you go. There you go. All right. There it is. We'll have you redo some stuff.
Yeah, for my lower back, for my back pain, I think there's a significant relief. Instantaneously, I experience it. And then for my shoulders, I think it loosens.
Move it around.
Yeah. So the pain really significantly decreases. It's much less. And it's
Okay, how about the other side?
this one, I think it's more.
Okay.
It improved a lot.
Good. And then turn your head left and right. Easy. You can turn more.
Yeah, turn more.
Yeah. You turn more.
Yeah, sure. Definitely I'll be back. I'll be back for my second session.
All right. Perfect.